Hello, this is Leah Hochstead doing the Google Merchandise Store Analysis Executive Summary. So first of all, we do know that Google is uh, popular for its popular search engine images. There's Scholar site, there's desktop applications, mobile applications, there's map-related products. Google's a huge tech company. And I didn't know this, but they do also have a merchandise store. It is an e-commerce website that sells Google, YouTube, Waze, and Android apparel, bags, drinkware, accessories, and office supplies. Um, so our semester project has been learning Google Analytics by analyzing the Google Merchandise Store. Now, in the analytics site, there are four main categories: um, audience acquisition, behavior, and conversions. We did also talk a lot about KPIs. And KPI is a measurable value that demonstrates how effectively a company is achieving key business objectives. Organizations use KPI to evaluate their success at reaching goals. So, and here's the kind of the little bit of a problem is that Google is a tech company, and so they're not really in the retail business. So they do have a store, but it's a very limited store. So we're going to look at some different things. The KPIs that I found most useful come from the audience section. I found these variables work best for analyzing an online retail sales. By analyzing demographics, user interest, geography, user behavior, technologies, the digital marketing specialists can determine what marketing effects are working, what avenues can be improved upon, and where opportunities are totally being lost. These insights gained can assist in making better marketing decisions. So the first one thing we will be looking at, let's see here, is the demographics. This overview breaks down visitors by age and gender. Now, with the gender, of course, we have male and female. Males make up 66% of total users. However, males bounce from the site faster than females, and females make up more of actual revenue transactions of 67%. They spend more money than the males. So the insight is you want to make sure you're advertising both to males and females. You might just look at the thing and say, oh, there's more males on the site. We're going to advertise more to the males. Well, that doesn't always hold true. And so we're going to look at the age. Now, for your age makeup, the 25 to 34 makeup is the highest percent of users. They also convert the most, and so that's where the revenue is. Then your next, you have 35 to 44 age market or age range is 22%, and 18 to 24 is 20% of your users. Now, you can look at it this way: is it's important to create ads that are specific to your age group. So we know the 25 to 34-year-olds are buying, so you may want to focus on the age range a little bit younger and a little bit older. So you maybe want to have three different advertising um, speciality coming by age. So the next we're going to look at is the interest. Now this information shows what the website visitors are actually interested in. So we're going to look at this in-market segment. These are users of the segment that are more likely to be ready to purchase products and service within a specific category. And when we're talking about our the sales and marketing funnel, this is where the people that are ready to buy. So these are real important people to engage. And as an advertiser, the data in these reports can help you effectively target the people based on interest. And if you look, these are software, business, productivity people, business services, advertising, marketing, financial investment, web services. And so these people are already interested in technology. They're familiar with Google. So you got to strike while the iron's hot. So your next is going to be geography. And I'm going to be looking at specific location based by country and the language that they speak. Now you can use this information to create specific and thoughtful ads geared to specific regions, cultures, and languages. You can also use this information to create new content for those not represented We see that the users are mostly from the United States, very westernized. India, the main language is um, English, and then there's regional dialects. Canada, English and French. Then we have the UK. English is spoken in all these countries primarily. Well, and then secondaries for some of them. Then we are thinking that um, maybe Google can brand their items in different languages, so they can explore maybe just a little more, being a little more worldly in their approach since they are a world company. Now we're going to look at the languages again. English, 61%. English. So it's well, I guess English is the language of the internet, but still, if you really want to sell, you got to expand your markets. Now we're going to look at new visitors versus returning visitors. And this is going to be under behavior. This report tells you um, how often a visitor comes to the site, how long do they stay, and basically from here we can learn that new visitors transact more and make more in revenue. So Google should look at this and uh, make it more easier for new users to actually create revenue. Okay, so then we're going to look at the browsers. Google is a tech company. One thing to notice here is that Chrome is used 71% and Internet Explorer isn't even at 1%. So this is kind of some opportunities lost on the part of Google. And then device category, we see desktop, mobile, and tablet. Now your desktop, you're going to see is 71%, with mobile being 25%. And this is also lost opportunities. So maybe a specific app could be built by them. Now, your shopping, we can see here that you have your cart abandonment at 73%, checkout abandonment at 96%. All these statistics say that there may be a problem with the actual purchase area. So this is somewhere where they may need to look into. Now, some final thoughts and recommendations based on the insights that I learned. Sorry, I'm going way over time here. You should focus on more females and males. Both males and females are coming to the site, and kind of target older people, because older people generally have more money than younger people. Target the countries that don't speak English, maybe create some new products based on different cultures, and conversion rates. Maybe there's a usability issue on the site. So why the drop-off rates and the cart rates are being so high. So thank you again. Sorry I did go over, but I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.